My name is Benedicte Piret. I'm working at ENGIE Chile. There I'm working in asset management, and my role is to try to optimize the value we get from our assets in terms of performance, but also there is a part where we try to take advantage of new digital technologies to manage them better on a more efficient way. ENGIE is aiming to be a leader in the energy transition. We set up very ambitious goal in terms of carbon neutrality. We are an energy company. And we are aiming to be net zero carbon by 2045. The project we did with Modelon was to test. It was a proof of concept project where instead of using data-based simulation or prediction for maintenance activity, we're testing if a model-based simulation in real time would be useful and reliable for taking decision in terms of maintenance activity in a solar farm. That was a bit our subject, and their Modelon was helping us a lot with the expertise, because our expertise is clearly to operate power plants and to make electricity. And we didn't know too much anything about model-based and how to model those plants. So their Modelon was a real support and expert support to us to guide us through the journey. So what we could do, we can have with that model a remote diagnostic of little failures that are happening in our solar parks. That we would not have seen with the human eyes. In some way, they were able to show us the invisible about our assets, and in such a way that it could help us to take decisions and manage our assets. Our experience with Modelon was a very good experience. We were really new in the thing of modeling our assets. We are not designers, we are people that are operating and doing maintenance to our assets, so we are quite far, I think, from the classical clients of maybe Modelon. But we heard about Modelon that they were good at it, at doing models and modelizing quite of industrial systems, so we went to them and we're saying, hey, like, we had that idea, like, do you think it can help us? And the collaboration was really great, because they were really interested into understanding what we were seeing, what were our issues. They were trying to put themselves in our shoes. We are their dreams or constraints or knowledge also, and it was a very constructive collaboration and discussion with them, because with Modelon they were coming with all the expertise in how to modelize those assets, what was a better choice. They were coming with very good proposal, alternatives to say, look, it's not so clear exactly what you want to do, but we could propose that way from our point of view. That would make sense. Would it make sense for you? And at the end, the result was like a model that makes sense also for the business, and that is also very reliable, and that was very good.